of my season, but it's gonna be a good one. It's kind of heated up a little bit this afternoon, but it's starting to cool off already. It's kind of warm for early January, but we're coming off of a big cold front and the deer are still hungry. It's about 3:30 and we already have 2 deer out in this food source that we're hunting this afternoon. We've got a great trail coming beneath us that we're set up on, to hanging on. We got a creek on the backside. I'm a little bit sad, to tell you the truth. The deer season's over. It's been fun, just doing all this hunting all year. I really do feel like we'll get some at least encounters tonight and hopefully some shot opportunities.
Yeah, there he is.
See him?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Frick.
Come on, dude.
There's like no way that deer's coming.
Yeah, that's a good deer. You know, that deer's probably been right down this trail.
Well, where we ended up hunting, we did not plan to hang there. We showed up at that place and kind of decided to chill out for a second. Tyler took his heavy backpack off. We talked about it and decided it was a really good location. We did not expect to find that good of a food source in that location. So we dilly-dallied around a little bit, found a tree to hang in, and saw a ton of deer, as y'all saw. And right at last light, we thought we were gonna get it done. Like in the 11th hour, 5 minutes left in my hunting season. But the 2 young bucks that we were going to shoot came across onto the public and hit our ground set, and it just wigged them out. They never spooked, but didn't come any further, and just kind of messed around right there for, you know, really what seemed like forever, probably like 3 or 4 minutes, and then turned around and left. And came close. It was fun, but y'all be sure and subscribe to our 2018 Public Land Chronicles playlist. It's going to be coming up pretty soon because 2017 is over.